Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to play a very popular song called I Can Only Imagine by Bart Millard of Mercy Me. It was written in 1999 and continues to be a very, very popular song sung in many churches even today. Just a great message and song about heaven. In the description below there's a link to download the lyrics and chord chart absolutely free through Ultimate Guitar tabs. So you can take time to download that before this lesson or sometimes thereafter. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe just so you can be notified when new videos have been uploaded. Or anytime during the video, you can click the little red subscribe button that's on the lower right hand side of your screen. I would like to dedicate this song to two people. One, my son, Brandon Edwards. He sings this song many times and does such a wonderful job. It's such a blessing to hear him sing this song. And also I'd like to dedicate this song to my nephew, Eric Edwards. Eric follows me on YouTube and just a great nephew, great person, and suggested that I sing songs more up front if I teach you how to play a song, so you'll kind of know what's in store for you. So I appreciate those comments, Eric, and Brandon, I appreciate you as well. Love you both. So let's get started. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus, or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence, or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Just a great song. I can't do it justice, but hopefully you can. And a very easy song to learn play. It just primarily consists of 3 chords. The verse just has 2 chords back and forth, so easy to learn. You probably already know these chords. And then when it gets to the chorus, there's just a couple of times you'll play a B7 chord. So this song will be using the chords of E, and then A sus2, and then we'll be using a chord B7 sus4. Okay, so we'll quickly review these courses. If you want to zoom in, the E chord, you just simply place your first finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret. Okay, then your 2nd finger on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, then your 3rd finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Play all strings. Okay, this is E major chord. For A suspended 2, you just simply move these 2 fingers down 1 string. Okay, from this position, from the E, just lift up off of your 1st finger and simply move these 2 fingers down 1 string. So your 2nd finger will be on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger will be on string number 3 of the 2nd fret. And just kind of mute with your thumb this top string, or just don't strum it. You can strum strings 5 and on down. And that's A sus2 or A suspended 2. Okay, just a note, you can put this finger down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and that makes it A minor chord. Okay, this was E. Move all fingers down 1, and that's an A minor. That's FYI for you, okay? So looking at A sus2. So again, you got E, A sus2, okay? Then the other last chord is a B7 suspended 4. Just simply move these 2 fingers up 2 frets, 1, 2, and then mute this top string with your thumb, or don't play the top string and play strings 5 down. Okay, that's a B7 sus4, okay? So it goes from, move up 2 frets, and here's E. So these are the 3 chords required to play this song. E major, then move these 2 fingers down 1 string, A sus2, then move these 2 fingers up 2 frets, B7 sus4, okay? All right, so if we look at the chord progression, you'll simply play E major, two measures, then A sus2, 2 measures, and then you'll just repeat that 3 times, okay, for the verse. And for the strumming pattern, you can just strum down and up, and you can just kind of emphasize some of the notes. So the verse will go something like this. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Okay, now the chorus will play A sus2, one measure, B7 sus4, 1 measure, and then we'll play E major 2 times, two measures, okay? And then you just simply repeat that 2 times, and then on the very last of the chorus, you'll play A sus2 once, B7 sus4, and then E only 1 time, okay? So on the chorus, you'll just hang on to that A sus2 at the end of the verse, and that'll take you right into the chorus, okay? So let me play the chorus. I'll start with just the end of the verse. That'll take us into that. So we'll start with the E. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Now we're going into the chorus. Just stay on the A sus2. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Then you can just kind of repeat that chorus. He does it, you know, in a higher pitch in that song. So that song is very easy to play. Just remember that E major, and A sus2 chord, and then just slide up 2 frets to get that B7 sus4. Just those 3 simple notes. Okay. If you like this, be sure and hit the like button. And again, if you haven't subscribed, be sure and hit the subscribe button as well. So this is one way to play I Can Only Imagine. In the next video, I'll show you how to play the same song using the same chords, but using strictly the E-shaped chord. So if you can play E, you'll be able to play this song keeping that same shape throughout the entire song. It's very, very easy. So I'll show you how to play I Can Only Imagine using the E-shaped note only up the neck of the guitar. So thank you, and God bless you.